To access your Banco Sabadell debit card, start by ensuring you have received your card and PIN in the mail. If you have not received them, contact Banco Sabadell customer service to request a replacement. Once you have your card and PIN, you can proceed to activate your card. Activation can typically be done online through the Banco Sabadell website or mobile app, or by calling the customer service number provided with your card information. You will need to provide your card details and follow the prompts to complete the activation process. After activating your card, you can use it to make purchases, withdraw cash, and access your account information at ATMs and point-of-sale terminals. To use your card at an ATM, insert your card, enter your PIN, and select the desired transaction type. For purchases, simply present your card to the merchant and enter your PIN or provide a signature as required. To access your account information online, go to the Banco Sabadell website and register for online banking if you have not already done so. You will need to provide your card details and other identifying information to complete the registration process. Once registered, you can log into your account to view your balance, transaction history, and other account details. It is also important to practice security measures to protect your debit card and account information. This includes keeping your card and PIN confidential, monitoring your account activity regularly, and reporting any suspicious transactions to Banco Sabadell immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and easily access your Banco Sabadell debit card and manage your account information. Remember to always keep your card and account details secure and contact Banco Sabadell customer service if you have any questions or concerns.